Meaning of diffraction.
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 Diffraction. Diffraction refers to the bending, spreading, and interference of waves as they encounter obstacles in their path. When a wave encounters an obstacle with a size similar to its wavelength, it tends to bend around the edges of the obstacle, leading to the creation of a diffraction pattern. This pattern often exhibits a central bright spot, known as the central maximum, surrounded by a series of alternating light and dark regions known as fringes. The precise nature of the diffraction pattern depends on the size and shape of the obstacle, as well as the wavelength of the wave.